everybody. Today we're working on order of operations. PEMDAS, a good way for you to remember is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Or you can just remember P is for parentheses, E is for exponents in that order. And then multiplication and division, they come together and you're going to solve that from left to right. And then addition and subtraction also from left to right. We have 3 examples we're going to work on today. The first one, here we have 3 squared times 10 minus 6 squared divided by 12. So first thing I would have to do is take care of the parentheses, but we don't have any parentheses here. So we go to the next one, exponents. So I will take care of both exponents. Exponents are these 2 tiny little numbers right there that are on top of the regular number or on top of the integer. Okay, so 3 squared means 3 times 3, or 3 repeated itself twice. So 3 squared is 9 times 10 minus 6 squared, or 6 times 6 is 36, divided by 12. Now that I took care of the exponents, I'll go ahead and take care of multiplication and division, again from left to right. So 9 times 10, 90, minus, leave that alone, 36 divided by 12, we have 3. And now that we're done with multiplication and division, we take care of addition and subtraction, which is just simply 90 minus 3, 87, all done. The next example, we have this fraction, but don't be scared of a cute little fraction like this, because we have here 2 times 7, and then we have 5 times 3. And then remember, the fraction is nothing but a division. So it's like you were doing the numerator first, and then you divide everybody by the denominator. Okay, so think about invisible parentheses right there on the numerator, invisible parentheses right there on the denominator. That's one way to look at it. We don't have any parentheses, we don't have any exponents, so we'll take care of the division or multiplication from left to right. So 2 times 7, 14. And then we have plus 5 times 3, 15. Let's leave the fraction alone for now. We can do 30 minus 29, but that's what we should be doing next, so I'm going to leave it alone for now. So we're going to take care of the numerator, 14 plus 15, 29. And at the same step, I'll take care of the denominator, 30 minus 29, we have 1. Now, if this was any other fraction that you could simplify, you would have to. So 29 divided by 1 is just 29. So think about, again, the fraction as a division sign. Last one. Oh, look at this. Okay. You're like, what are these brackets doing there? So the brackets do the same job as parentheses. Okay? So what they do, it's just easier for you to realize that this bracket belongs to that bracket. Or if you open this parenthesis here, you have to close it right there. So the bracket is just easier to indicate that this opens and closes right there. But it does the same job as the parentheses. So we're going to do parentheses first. So I have 20 minus, leave exponents first alone for now. We are taking care of the parentheses. So 2 plus 14, we have 16. Close the bracket. And we don't have any others. So I'll copy everything down because I'm not dealing with anybody else. Just taking care of parentheses. Okay. Now, you're like, okay, I still need parentheses, but I need to take care of the exponent here first. So 4 squared, 16. Leave everything else alone. Oh, look, we have another exponent right there. for 4 squared is 16. Minus 13. Okay, now we can come here and take care of this bracket, but at the same time is division right there anyways. So here we go, 20 minus 16 divided by 16 is 1, and that takes care of the bracket too, plus 5 over, we're not going to deal with the denominator right now. That's what we're going to do in the next step. So 20 minus 1 is 19, plus 5 is 24. And here I have 16 minus 3 is 3. You can think about it as 24 divided by 3, or just simply 24 over 3. That simplifies down to 8.